Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Faith in Sai makes all things possible. Hope in Sai makes all things work. Love Sai, he makes all things beautiful. Sai says, waiting is hard, but it shows that you have trusted my timing. The longer you wait for something, the more you will appreciate it when you have it. In today's video, we will be going through the story of passing away in Baba's presence. Saints recommend us to remember God and chant His name always so that we may not be perturbed when the time for departure comes. The devotees on their part surrender themselves completely to the saints, fully believing that the saints would guide and help them in their last moments. A few such cases will be noted here. The story of Sannyasi Vijayanand. A sannyasi from Chennai named Vijayanand started on pilgrimage to Manas Sarovar. Enrolled on hearing Baba's fame, he halted at Shirdi. There he met one Somadevaji Swami of Hardwar and inquired from him about the Manas Sarovar trip. The Swami described to him the difficulties of the journey, vice versa, plenty of snow and the change of dialect every 50 chaos and the suspicious nature of the people who gave lot of trouble to the pilgrims. On hearing this, the sannyasi cancelled the trip. Then when he went and prostrated before Baba, Baba got enraged and said, "Drive out this useless sannyasi. His company is of no use." The sannyasi did not know Baba's nature. He felt discomforted but sat there watching things that were going on. It was morning darbar and the masjid was overcrowded. Baba was being worshipped in various ways. Some were washing his feet, some taking the teeth and drinking it heartily, and some touching their eyes with it. And all were doing these things forgetting the distinction of caste and creed. Though Baba got enraged with him, the sannyasi was filled with affection for Baba. He stayed in Shirdi for 2 days. When he got a letter from Chennai stating that his mother was very ill, he felt very dejected and wanted to be by his mother's side. But he could not leave Shirdi without Baba's permission to return home. The omniscient Baba, knowing the future, said to him, "If you loved your mother so much, why did you take sannyas? Wealth and prosperity are transient and the body is subjected to decay and death. While knowing this, do your duty, leaving all attachment with the things of this world. And next, he who does this and surrender himself to the feet of Hari will get free from all troubles and attain bliss. Your store of past merits is considerable, so you have come here. Now, attend to what I say and realize the goal of your life. Begin from tomorrow the study of Bhagavat. Do 3 saptas. On seeing that his end was approaching, Baba prescribed this remedy and made him read Ram Vijaya, which pleases the god of death. Accordingly, the sannyasi completed the 2 readings and thereafter felt much exhausted. He returned to the Vada and stayed in his lodging for 2 days, and on the 3rd day he breathed his last on Fakir Bade Baba's lap. Baba asked the people to preserve the body for a day. The police afterwards came and on making proper enquiries gave permission for the disposal of the body. It was buried in a proper place with due rites. In this way, Baba helped the sannyasi and ensured him Sadgati, that is, salvation. Bow to Shri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, do like and share. Thank you.